Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of creating videos with AI technology. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to add a touch of magic to your videos, AI has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right video editing software. There are various AI-powered tools available that can make your editing process a breeze. Look for features like automated scene detection, smart cutting, and AI-enhanced effects to bring your videos to life. Compare this to traditional editing. With AI, you can save time and achieve professional-looking results without being a video editing expert. Step 2. Capture your footage. AI can assist here too. Some cameras now come equipped with AI-powered features, such as auto-framing, facial recognition, and even scene optimization. This ensures your footage is of the highest quality right from the start. Now, here's a game changer: voice commands. AI technology allows you to control your editing software using your voice, making the process hands-free and efficient. Just imagine the possibilities. Finally, after the editing is done, you'll be amazed at the polished and professional video you've created with the help of AI technology. It's like having your own virtual production team at your fingertips. And there you have it. Creating videos with AI technology is not just easy, it's a game changer for anyone in the creative space. Experiment, explore, and let the power of AI elevate your video content. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating! Like, subscribe and share if you like content like this. See you.